We are in our Level 1 Piano Adventures Technique and Artistry book, and we are playing Sticky Fingers Duet. And the first page on 4 is the sticky fingers for your right hand. The second page on page 5 is sticky fingers for the left hand. So if you look at the page, we start off with our first 2 fingers, then we switch to our second and third fingers, and then third and fourth fingers. And that's going to happen with both hands. So this is how it sounds with the duet, and then I will play the duet by itself and you can play along with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we'll do it for the left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now I'm going to play the teacher part for you. You're going to stay right where you're at and you play along with me. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4.